What's up, everybody? Nolan of Black Diamond Services. Just going to be doing some pre-vacuuming. I believe I had somebody ask a while back on YouTube about doing more pre-vacuuming video. Pretty standard stuff, just normal vacuuming of a carpet. But I am currently using the Shark, as you can see. This is the Shark Professional. It is a little bit taller version from the standard one. I bought this one to try out. It performs just as well as the other one. The only difference is it's just a larger canister. So I wanted to get it just because having to empty it, I could spend more time vacuuming. If I get a bad one that needs a lot of pre-vac, I don't have to worry about emptying it as soon. So it kind of saves you a little bit of time. But there is some trade-off on it, in my personal opinion, that I didn't care for at first, but I kind of got used to. I'll show you here real quick. This tube, where obviously the airflow runs through, it comes around and goes into right here, obviously coming from the base, and the other one goes from the handle. So you click a button on the other one and you pull this off, and then there's your handle. It's a little easier to use as far as pulling things off if you need to get debris up against the baseboard, if there is a house like that, which isn't too common, so I'm not too worried about it. But that was the first thing I didn't care for on this one. But like I said, it is a taller canister, so dumping is not as frequent, which is great. But otherwise, if you're not too concerned about that, I suggest, if you're going to get a Shark for pre-vac, to get the original Shark Professional. Looks just about the same as this, just a little shorter, just because the ease of access of pulling the handle off and using that to get the baseboards is a little faster, and you're not worrying about looping this all back around these areas to hook it back in. So that's just my thought on this one. If that sways you from getting this one, I don't blame you, but if you want longevity for picking stuff up, then I would choose this one. And I just happened to get it when it was on sale at like a Macy's, so it was like the same price as the other one. So I decided to get it, try it out, since I wasn't going to be doing any difference in price to get either or. So I will be using this one for some time now, unless it croaks on me, which my other one hasn't. I just moved it over to another setup, so that way it can be used there. But otherwise, for a standard vacuum, these Sharks do a pretty good job. There are other options you can get that cost more money, but for what this is, it does a great job. Most cases I'm filling the canister up about halfway, if not full, depending on the severity of the job. But this one didn't really have pets indoors too often, so it shouldn't be that bad. I completely cleaned the canister out yesterday after I was done, so it was clear of everything, so I could see what this job was going to be like today, even though the heaviest spot in this carpet was right in front of where the couch sat, which you could see how the carpet's lighter there and then darker here, where all the wear patterns and dirt sat is right here. So now I'll know how bad this carpet is before I even pre-spray it. And that way I can adjust my pre-treatment accordingly too. Kind of knowing how dirty this is from the get-go. Sometimes you're surprised by how dirty it is once you take your first pass through. So anything that helps you figure out what you need to do for your mix and your pre-treatment, and potentially where you need to set your GPH for your rinse, gallons per hour being used of the cleaner. So that's pretty much this. Probably watching somebody vacuum isn't the most entertaining part of the job, but I did have somebody ask to do some more pre-vac video. And of course this is also a little bit of a product review, but like I said, I found this vacuum does a really good job for its price point. Which, when I bought this one on sale, it was about $185. And it gets the job done for what it needs to do. But again, if you want something a little easier to take off the handle for, to get edges and stuff like that when you got heavy debris sitting on the edges, because the carpet rarely gets vacuumed, then I would definitely look at the original Shark Professional. Same color setup, it's the red and the white, but a little bit easier to use for that feature. And it does come with the same attachments. The upholstery tool, and of course the edge tool inside there. So yeah. That's pretty much it for this one. I like to vacuum as much of it as I can, because if the homeowner isn't here, it's hard to tell or get background information on it. So this person just bought the house, so there's literally no way of getting the actual background information on this carpet other than what you can see. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. I'm going to continue vacuuming here, just make it a little easier on myself without the camera out, but I appreciate everybody who's watched and liked or subscribed and left me a comment with things they'd like to see. Now it's my time to finish this up and get that stain out right there, and then there was another one, I think right there, need to work on. So I'm gonna get to work on this job. Thanks again. Appreciate your time. Have a great day.